Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Good morning, children. So let's continue with the lesson. So we are in multi-purpose dams, right? So in the previous class I have told you the dams, some big dams like the Bakranangal Dam on the Satluj, the Nagarjuna Sagar Dam on the Krishna, the Rihan Dam on the tributaries of the Sun, the Hirakund Dam on the Mahanadi, and the Gandhi Sagar Dam on the Chambal. The Damodar Valley project is another big multi-purpose project. So these are some big dams, and the Damodar Valley project is another big multi-purpose project. Okay, they are dams on Kaveri at Krishna Raja Sagar near Mysore. They are dams on Kaveri river, which is known as at Krishna Sagar near Mysore. In Mysore, there are dams on Kaveri, that is Krishna Raja Sagar, and at Mettur. Water is stored at these places. In these places, the water is stored in huge capacity. Jawaharlal Nehru called these big dams the temples of modern India. तो जवाहरलाल नेहरू क्या कहते थे इस डैम्स को? The temples of modern India, right? So multi-purpose dams have many uses. So these dams have many uses, like they provide water for irrigation, helps to produce electricity, prevents floods since extra water during the rain can be stored at the reservoirs. फ्लड्स के टाइम पे बहुत काम आते हैं क्योंकि जब रेन के टाइम पे जो वाटर स्टोर होता है रिजर्वायर्स में वो ये टाइम पे यूज हो जाता है. ओके, सो बाय दिस लेट्स गो विद द नेक्स्ट पेज. द रिजर्वायर्स आर यूजफुल फॉर फिशिंग and recreation. They provide transports and waterways along with the canals. They provide transport facilities. So multi-purpose dams can however damage the environment if they had not planned properly. अगर ये multi-purpose projects को अगर हम properly plan नहीं करते ये environment को damage कर सकता है. When a dam is built, a reservoir is created. जब dam बनाते हैं तो reservoir भी create हो जाता है. The water submerge or the downs villages and forests nearby, right? So therefore the human and animal pollution has been relocated and shifted to new places, right? So by this we have completed the explanation part of this lesson. The chapter is completed. So let's watch the animation of this chapter.
Water resources and irrigation. Water is one of the most important substances on earth. Apart from drinking it to survive, we have many other uses of water. Agriculture is very important in India and water is needed for crops. As the monsoons in India are not very dependable, we need other methods for irrigation. Irrigation is the process of watering the crops using pipes, canals and so on. Let us learn about various forms of water resources and irrigation methods. The chief rivers of North India such as Ganga, Yamuna, Indus and Brahmaputra are fed by melting snow in summer and they do not dry ever. But the rivers peninsula such as Narmada, Tapti, Mahanadi, Godavari, Krishna, Kaveri are rain-fed and have water only if there is rainfall. Therefore, dams have to be built on these rivers and water has to be stored in lakes during the rainy season so that the water can be used in summer. Rivers flow only in some areas, so canal irrigation is necessary. Canals distribute this water to far-off places. The Indira Gandhi Canal for the Satluj River is one of the longest canals in India. Human beings have been digging wells and using water from wells for domestic purposes from very early times. Wells are difficult to dig in rocky areas and easy to dig in the plains. Agriculture is very important in India and we need a regular supply of water for irrigation. Therefore, huge multi-purpose dams are constructed. So by this, I think you have understood the entire lesson by watching this video.
So our chapter is completed. I hope you understand all the points and details of this chapter. Read the chapter carefully and answer all the bits and question answers. Okay. Take care and Allah